Welcome back everyone to another video on this channel. This time we talk about how to increase productivity with your iPad, especially the iPad Pro, because obviously you buy that one as a professional. Well, to be more productive with it means different things to different people. Like you might be a creative designer, you might be a video editor, right? So this is stuff that, just varies person by person. I would at first recommend you to start your productivity, well, because everyone needs some sort of management, right? I would at first recommend you to get the note taking as well as calendar set up. I personally like to use Notion, right? Which is a great way. The video is not like affiliated with them or anything, but Notion is a great way to just organize your notes and life in general. It doesn't matter what kind of work you do, but you need some sort of organization to do that. Right, so I use that, and also you might as well just connect it to a Notion calendar, which is relatively new, but you can connect it with your phone, and you might as well just set up a Notion calendar, which is going to connect to your Google Calendar and other ones as well, and also to your notes, so everything is going to be put together. So I would recommend you to do that at first. You can see that I track all of my videos in here and everything, right? I'm not going to go into detail because it's kind of personal, but I use it for literally everything, so I would recommend you to do that. And also, as I said, then the next steps just vary from person by person. If you're a video editor, I would recommend you to get the Final Cut. I can give you the advice on what I do, right? So Final Cut is for video editing on the iPad, or you can try LumaFusion or DaVinci Resolve. So plenty of options here for some basic editing. I mean, even if you don't just produce videos as like a main thing, I would still recommend you to get an app like CapCut, which is a free video editor with plenty of options. So in case you want to just pack your iPad with productivity stuff, I would just recommend you to get CapCut, and most definitely it just works well. Right, so that's what I would recommend. And as I said, in case you want to just draw and sketch something, then it depends, right? You need some Procreate or some other app to just draw. So let me know down below in the comments what exactly you do for work, and perhaps I can expand on that in case I have experience in that field. But obviously, in case you sketch or paint, then just get an app like this one, right? So it just really depends, but as I said, Notion definitely must have. Calendar, Google Calendar, I like more than the Apple one. Notion Calendar is a bit more, like better. Of course, make sure to not forget about the built-in apps like the Freeform, which is great for creating like vision boards and stuff. So that's something which I would recommend you to get. But besides that, it really is specific to your job or the stuff that you do. So let me know what exactly you do in the comments below, and hit the thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.